This is question number 8, exercise 2.1. And the question is, which of the following statements are true and which are false? So you have to write true or false. I have picked up randomly 3 questions and the remaining will do yourself. Number Z. The predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. It is said that the predecessor of all 2-digit numbers are always 2-digit or more than that. It cannot be a single-digit number. Now to do this, I'm just directly giving an example. You'll understand that this is true or false. Supposing I'm taking the 2-digit number. Supposing I'm taking the 2-digit number 10. Now this 2-digit number, what is the predecessor? Now to find the predecessor of any number, what you have to do? You have to subtract 1. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. And this 10 was a 2-digit number. This 9 is now a single-digit number. So what you have seen? The predecessor of this 2-digit number is a single-digit number is obtained. So for the number 2-digit number 10, we got a single-digit number 9 as its predecessor. But in the question number Z, it is said that it can never be a single-digit number. But we have seen we got a single-digit number. When the number was taken 10, its predecessor is 9, single-digit number. They said no, it can never be a single-digit number. That means the given statement is false. So the given statement is false because we got a single-digit number here. Next question. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. You know, the natural number starts from 1 only. So the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so and so on. Now predecessor is the number that occurs just before. Now the natural number 1, since the first natural number is 1, so before 1 there is no number. That means before 1, since there is no number, that means 1 has no predecessor. Is it clear? Because I repeat once again, predecessor is the number that occurs just before a number. But since the natural number is 8, since the natural number starts with 1, so before 1 there is no other natural number. That is why the natural number 1 has no predecessor is right, because before 1 we do not find any natural number. Is it okay? So this statement is true. But your confusion will be occurring in the next question. You see, the whole number 1 has no predecessor. Now see the whole numbers. The whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now the whole number 1 has no predecessor. What is the whole number? What is the whole numbers? Whole number starts with 1. Starts with 0, then 1 and so on. Now the whole number 1 you take. The whole number 1 predecessor. Predecessor means the number that occurs before. Now before 1, this one 0 is occurring. That means the whole number 1 has predecessor 0. Before the whole number 1, we have a number, another whole number 0. That is why 0 is the predecessor of the whole number 1. So this statement is now false because they said the whole number 1 has no predecessor. But we got for the whole number 1 a predecessor which is 0. Is it okay? So the 1 has a predecessor and the predecessor is 0. They said no predecessor. We got a predecessor that is 0 for the whole number 1. So the statement is false. So this is how you need to complete the question. Okay.